Assalamu alaikum, what's up guys, this is Mustafa Tahir and I'm back with another video. So guys, this video is about setting up the application's icon and title, and we will be using two packages for these two. So guys, for the application's icon we will use Flutter launcher icons, and for the title we'll make use of a package named as a rename. So let's set up the icon first. So here in the project structure, I have created a folder assets and I have placed an image, a news logo image. So we will be setting up application on this app. As you can see, it has now it has the default icon and name is Flutter underscore tutorials. So let's head over to the launcher icons first. So first of all, move on to your terminal and type command flutter pub add and type flutter underscore launcher icons. Once installed, add another for app title, which is rename. Okay, added successfully. Okay, to set the launcher icon, head over to your pubspec.yaml. You can see that your package listed, and just below these list of packages, type here flutter icons. Under that, put up the image path. Android, and we need to override the default icon which is listed here, launcher icon. Next we need to set for iOS to, so write iOS and set this to true. And third one is the image path. We have the image under assets, and news.png. So guys, after putting up these three properties, head over to your terminal again and first update the pubspec.yaml flutter pub get. Once it's done, type a command flutter pub run and write the icons package name, which is flutter launcher icons. Put up a colon and write main. So basically what this command will do, it will override the Android and iOS default icons with the new ones. And if you have put up the command correctly, then you would see a success message. Yes, so it's showing that created default icons Android, adding a new Android launcher icon. Icons with alpha are not allowed in, but successfully generated launcher icons. So guys, this process is successful. Now we need to work for the app title. So guys, to set up the application's title, we first need to activate the package rename. For that, under terminal, write flutter pub global activate rename. And If you have put up the command correctly, you can see in the end activated package with the latest version number. And now we just need to pass a new title for our application. For that, write pub global run rename app name, and in the string write your new application title. For instance, Flutter tutorials. And yes, our command ran successfully. You can see that iOS app name changed successfully to Flutter tutorials, and this is for macOS, this is for Android app, this is for Linux, so on and so forth. And one more thing, guys, you can specifically mention the particular platform you have to target. So under the same command, after you have put up your new application title, press space and pass -t. So it will highlight that what sort of platform you are trying to rename your application. So let's say I want for iOS only. When I press enter, you can see that iOS app name changed successfully. If I replace iOS with Android and Linux or macOS and so on and so forth. So we are done with the complete setup. It's time to run the application. So guys, our application ran successfully. Now it's time to test both of these. And you can see that our application is with the new icon and new title. So here guys, I will wind up this video, and I hope you have enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to like this video, share this video within your community and all of my other stuff, and do subscribe this channel if you like my content, and hit that notification bell for my future updates. And take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.